Good morning, students. Once again, welcome to Rajkumar Educational Academy. We have studied about mean and mode. Now we will study about median. Students, we have studied in 9th standard what is median. Median is nothing but the observation which we get in the middlemost after arranging in ascending order. Let us once again see the definition. As we are studying about only group data in standard 10th, we will have a look about ungrouped data first. Once again, I am elaborating the definition. Median is nothing but after arranging the observations in ascending order, the observation which we get in the middlemost, that is your median. See the definition. After arranging the data in ascending or descending order, the observation which is obtained in the middle is called median of the given data. Now we will study median for two observations, if the observations are odd or the observations are even. Students, if the observations are odd, then we will apply the formula m is equal to n plus 1 by 2th observation. And we will see the example of it first, and then we will apply the formula for the ungrouped data of median for even numbers. If n is odd, that is it may be 5, 7 or 9. Let us take one example of it. Formula is m is equal to n plus 1 by 2th observation. And now the example. Find the median of the values, that is 12, 4, 6, 10 or 9. What we need to do first, we need to arrange in ascending order. Here you know the ascending order is from lower observations to higher observations. That is, first we will be having 4, 6, 9, 10 and 12. Let us see it. Now students, apply the formula. Here n is 5. Therefore, the formula is m is equal to n plus 1 by 2th observation. Put the value of n is equal to 5. 5 plus 1, 6. 6 divided by 2. That I got third observation. Now third observation you need to see in ascending order. Please don't forget that we have to see that in ascending order. Your third observation is 9. If you see 9, 9 is the middlemost from both the side. For odd numbers it is very easy. After arranging in ascending order, 9 is the middlemost number from both the side. 4, 6, 9, 10 and 12. If you count from the beginning, that is 4, 6 and 9, that is third observation. From the end, that is first, second and third. So 9 is the middlemost observation. Students, now we will see for even numbers. What is for even numbers? Agar even numbers it may be 4, 6, 8, 10, whatever it may be. The formula will be m is equal to n by 2th observation plus n by 2 plus 1th observation overall divided by 2. See that formula. N by 2th observation plus n by 2 plus 1th observation divided by 2. Now find the median of the following values, that is 30, 21, 26, 40, 29 and 16. Students, पहले क्या करना है? We need to arrange in ascending order. Arrange in ascending order. The observations after arranging in ascending orders are 16, 21, 26, 29, 30 and 40. Here n is 6. Put the values in the formula. Formula is m is equal to n by 2th observation plus n by 2 plus 1th observation divided by 2. Put the value n is equal to 6. So putting the value, I got 6 by 2th observation plus 6 by 2 plus 1th observation divided by 2. That is third observation and fourth observation. Third and fourth observation you need to see in the ascending order, that is 26 and 29. Now add this 26 and 29, you got 55 divided by 2. 55 divided by 2 is 27.5. Students, 27.5 is the median. It is not necessary for even numbers. When the observations are even, it is not necessary that median will be lying in the observation itself. We need to find it out by the formulas. It may be or it may not be. Here 27.5 is not in the observation, but that is your median. Now let us study the observations for group data. we need to find the median for group data. For group data, it will be given in the form of class. Let us take one example. Example is the given table shows the distribution of the size of certain farms from a village. Find the median. It has been given in the size form, that is in acres, number of farms in that group. Suppose if we take here example 5 to 15, there are 7, 15 to 25 is 12, 25 to 35 is 17, 35 to 45 is 25, 45 to 55 is 31, 55 to 65 is 5, 65 to 75 is 3. We will first see the formula for median. Students, here for group data, the formula is M is equal to L plus in bracket N by 2 minus CF upon F into H. What is L, what is CF and what is F, we will see over here. Let me show you the formulas over here. M is equal to L plus N by 2 minus CF upon F into H. Now what is L over here? We need to know what is L. As we are talking about the median, here L is lower limit of the median class. What is CF? CF is cumulative frequency of the class preceding the median class. Cumulative frequency we need to find. I will show you how to find the cumulative frequency, but just now I am giving you the information on the basis of formula. What is F? F is nothing but the frequency of the median class. And H, that is class size. Here class size, if you see the class, that is 5 to 15 is 10. And most important is N by 2. What is N? Here number of observations, that is total number of frequency. If you add up this all the frequencies, you will get 100. So N by 2 you will get after frequency. N by 2 is 50. Now let us find the cumulative frequency of less than type for this class. Size of the class, that is class interval, and number of farms has been given to you. Cumulative frequency you need to find for less than type, that is less than 15, that is 7, less than 25, add up the total frequencies, you will get 19. For 35 it is 36, for 45 it is 61, for 55 it is 92, for 65 it is 97, and for 75 it is 100. Now students, how you will come to know what is frequency, what is lower limit and what is cumulative frequency. As I have said, the beginning we need to start from N. N is over here 100. As it is 100, N by 2 is 50. Now you need to see in the cumulative frequency where it is more than 50. So here in cumulative frequency more than 50 is 61. So I have highlighted that class. So it will be easy for you to put the values of frequency and lower boundary point and cumulative frequency. Students, you can see over here I have put there F is 25, lower limit is 35, and cumulative frequency, that is class preceding to the median class, that is CF, that is 36. Put these values in the numerical form. Here N by 2, that is 100 divided by 2, that is 50. Now 50, as I have said, cumulative frequency we have to see, and on that basis we will come to know the median class, and then we will come to know about the lower limit. I have put that all the things over here from the table. Put the formula. Formula is nothing but median is equal to L plus in bracket N by 2 minus CF upon F into H. Put the values one by one. We will solve out the bracket first. N by 2, 50 minus 36 upon frequency is 25 into H. 50 minus 36, you will get 14. 14 into 10, that is class size I have multiplied and divided by 25. 14 plus 10 is 140. 140 divided by 25, you will get 5.6. Now add this, that is 40.6. Students, that is median of the given class. I hope you understood this example of group data for median. One more example I will be explaining over here. Let us take one more example, but before you do it out, please try to put the formulas and try to solve it by yourself. Second example. class has been given and number of students has been given, the weight of the students in class, that is of 30 students. Put the class and frequencies and prepare cumulative frequency of less than type. Students, first step is to prepare the cumulative frequency of less than type. Let me have a look over here. Class interval has been given, frequency has been given, cumulative frequency, that is 2, 2 plus 3 is 5 for the less than type of the class, that is 45, 50, 55. You can see here in the table cumulative frequency has been prepared. Now what you need to see? You need to see n is 30. 30 divided by 2 you get 15. Now 15 you have to find more than 15 in cumulative frequency. So more than 15 is 19. I have highlighted that class. Put the values of it in the given class F, L and CF. Given n is equal to 30, n by 2 is 15. मीडियन क्लास, जैसे ही हमको 15 मिला तो हमको मोर देन टाइप में देखना है कम्युनिटी फ्रीक्वेंसी, उसके ऊपर से हमको मीडियन क्लास मिलेगा, that is 50 to 60. Therefore your L is 55, frequency is 6, cumulative frequency is 13 and class size, that is 45 minus 40 is 5. Put it into the formula, put the values over there, solve out the bracket first. 15 minus 13 is 2, 2 into 5 is 10, 10 divided by 6, that will get approximately 1.666. Add it, as the third digit after the decimal is greater than 5. You can see there it is 6, 6 and 6. So third digit after the decimal we need to take it to the second digit. As it is more than 5, I will add 1 to the earlier one, that I will get 1.67. 55 plus 1.67, I will get 56.67. That is the median of the given class. I hope you understood this about median of group data. Students, now we will see the last part of it, that is to find the cumulative frequency of less than type if the given information has been given, and we will find its OGIF. Class has been given to you and it has been said in the question, the following distribution gives the daily income of 50 workers. Convert that into less than type and draw its OGIF in the graph. Less than type of we have to prepare, that is less than type will take from 120, 140, 160, 180 and 200. What we need to do first is to prepare less than type cumulative frequency. Let us prepare less than type cumulative frequency. This is the information which you got from it. Less than 120 frequency, the cumulative frequency will be as it is. Less than 140, we need to add the two frequencies, that is 120 and 140. You get 26. The other is 160. Again adding the earlier one, you got 34. 180 is 40 and last less than 200 is 50. If there is doubt how we get the cumulative frequency, that is very easy. We need to find the first class, it is as it is. The second you need to add the two. 12 plus 14 is 26. You need to add all the three, that is 12 plus 14 plus 8 is 34. And for less than 180 you need to add the earlier class plus that class, you get 40. And in less than 200 you need to add all the frequencies, which you will get 50. You can do over here the addition directly. 12 plus 14 is 26, 26 plus 8 is 34, 34 plus 6 is 40 and 40 plus 10 is 50. Now put that in the graph. Students, for putting in the graph, we have to take the class which is having more than type, that is higher value, 100 to 120. The upper boundary point we need to put on x-axis and cumulative frequency we need to put on y-axis. I have done here for you. From the graph we came to know what the cumulative frequency is for 120. For less than type we need to take the upper limit of the class which has been given to us. Please note that very well, and from that put it in the graph paper. Students, I hope you understood this chapter. Please go through the examples which are given in your textbook. This is all from this chapter. Thank you and have a nice day.